Hi, welcome to Sew Tangle Quilts. About a month or two ago, I placed several different orders from a couple different manufacturers and was waiting somewhat impatiently for them to come. Well, I hit the jackpot last Thursday. All of them came in on the same day. I had I don't know, 7 or 8 boxes full of fabric. It was like Christmas. Very joyful, very fun, but a lot of work. Anyway, I wanted to share with you an unboxing today, and I'll do several videos over the next week or two, hopefully to show you all of the new fabric that came in. We'll start with this first one. This one is from a company called Clothworks. They're out in California or Oregon, somewhere out on the West Coast. And this first one, the line is called Purple Rain, spelled R-E-I-G-N. So kind of a fun play on words. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, I just love it. Anyway, it's got this very vibrant purple and then black and white. And I really enjoy the contrast of black and white with just one pop of color. I think it would add something to a quilt. I think it would just look so stunning. And this purple is such a pretty color. The flowers are kind of modern. They're not realistic. Little departure for me. I usually like the realistic watercolory looks. These are very vibrant, very modern. Anyway, this is the first fabric. This one has a black background. This is the same print, but it has that pretty purple background. They call it eggplant. So I'll just go with that. So we have this one. So these two are the focal prints, and then we have these that are kind of a background print. This one is called rice. So I'm going to assume that these little shapes here are rice shaped. Again, that pretty purple eggplant background with a little bit of black. This one has some gray in it, so it's more muted than the other one that had that stark white. This is the same print with a black background. Again, very subtle, but very pretty. Okay. This one was called Ribbon. And as you can see, it has these pretty little floral designs kind of in a ribbon with this purple going through the black background. Again, it's very subtle, and I think it would really contrast nicely with those first two focal prints that I brought out. And of course, the same print in white. Again, we have, the white background and that same purple, the little purple flowers. And this is actually more of a gray than it is black, so it's not quite as stark as the others were with the black and white. And again, I like that little hint of gray to it. It just makes it look maybe a little bit more sophisticated. And then the last two prints are these pretty dots. Very abstract looking. They're not floral, but again, I think a nice contrast to the floral prints. We have it with the black background and of course with the white background and the purple print. So anyway, that's the first line that I got in, Purple Rain from Clothworks. Stay tuned and I'll bring you another unboxing sometime maybe